subscribe or your breath stinks like shit. Okay, oh, zoom into these lines. Look at the Hoover lines. Oh my god.
Hello folks and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're detailing this Mercedes A-Class, but it's not just anybody's A-Class, it's Mr. CAZ Milligan's.
CAZ Milligan, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Make sure to like, hit that subscription button, and I'm excited, man. Are we just doing the inside then?
Inside today, interior.
So just the interior.
Here we go.
It's quite a new car. I've only had it for maybe like a week or two, but it still needs freshened up and I'm excited to see it.
Aye, just to tidy up.
Thank you, bro.
Right. Let's do it. Hoover's all set up. We're just going to start by doing the mats and the carpet, and then got the drill brush as well just to take any deep stuff out. Let's get into it. So onto the actual carpet itself, not bad, just around the edges, so we'll get on to hoovering it. Next I'm hoovering the seats, and down the cracks of these seats, this is on any seat, you have to really pull it apart to get right down into the side, but I did there. If you see here, there's obviously these trapped bits of dirt in the carpet, but that's where this thing comes along. The drill brush with my new Ryobi drill brush. Sponsored me. But we'll get on to this. Now we just have to hoover that. So we've done the front passenger side, now onto the back passenger side. Let's do it. So that is the back passenger side all hoovered. Very nice. Just this wee bit of trim to clean up and around this area in the door card. But to make it a bit easier for hoovering the boot, I'm actually going to drop the top of the back seats down and hoover it from here. See, because you get this bit in here as well. Right there. Ta-da. So we'll get this hoovered. So that's the back of this seat done, and you can see in there it's all nice and clean now. So as we've seen before, boot's not too bad, just a little booklet for all the Mercedes stuff, and then just a few crumbs. So we'll get this all hoovered out so it's nice and clean. So we've removed the carpet out of the back, but you can see under this sort of tray here, there's still lots of rubbish in there. So we'll get the inside hoovered first, and then we'll hoover this top bit here. Boot done. So full passenger side and boot all hoovered out. Now we need to hoover the two driver sides. This will obviously be the worst because this is where CAZ will sit, but we'll get this all hoovered out. onto the back of the driver's side. I'm going to pop my seat down and then we'll hoover the back of this one as well. And with the back, we just completed the same process. So we're moving on to wiping down the interior. We've got my fancy new detailing brushes that I got for Santa. We've got my spray bottle and we've got a couple of cloths. I'm going to start by doing the driver's side. Just a few crumbs in the centre console and around the gear stick and that, just same in here. But these all come out and then I'll do this door card and we'll move round that way and then finish on the passenger side and then final hoover and then do the mats. So let's get into this. So apart from the steering wheel, most of it is just a dust down, but you can see the leather is a bit shiny. It's just for your hand oils. It happens on every car, and then just the wee insets and that. So we'll get some on here and then we'll go around the steering wheel. I've got the old abused brush. This is better for doing the steering wheels because it's a bit more like hard.
Shaped.
Aye, shaped for doing this job actually. We'll wipe this off, watch this, clean. See? You didn't see it, but now the steering wheel should be nice and matte. And there we have it, that is the steering wheel, nice and matte. Just need to let it dry out a bit more, but it's a lot more clean now. We'll get on with the rest of the dash. So I've wiped down all the gear stick and that around these trims around here. And the little, what is that, armrest compartment there.
Chocolate creams.
We've got the chocolate creams in there. Just need to clean the little gel inserts now and then put this little bit back in. That goes there, so we'll clean these. There we go, sorted. I then cleaned the rest of the interior trims, starting with the pedals. Then the rear end of the car. And then finally, the passenger side. So, final job of the day is the floor mats. We're going to try and get these as clean as possible and then put some satisfying stripes in them. So, let's do it. One down, 3 to go. watching the detail. There we go, doing the stripes in the last mat. Okay, and the final mat to go in. There we have it. So that's CAZ's Mick all completed in the interior. We've done door shuts, hoovered, mats, trims, all your regular stuff, but I'll show you up close now and then we'll get CAZ out and see what he thinks. So we've got CAZ back out, interior's done, let's see what
I'm excited, let's see.
the cockpit where you'll be.
Jeez. Okay, oh, you zoom into these lines. Look at the Hoover lines. Oh my god. Oh, it's looking fresh, bro. Got the lines at this side as well.
In the back as well.
And the back. Come on, oh, bro, thank you so much. Anybody, if you're wanting anything detailing inside, outside, hit your boy up. Thank you, bro. Okay, look how tidy this is. Look at the lines. Come on. That's hard, bro. It's hard.
So, CAZ, what do you rate the interior out of 10?
Amazing. 10 out of 10 service. Came straight to my crib, done my car. It's looking clean. Thank you.
How are you feeling about the boxing fight? Confident?
I'm excited. I'm very confident. What do you think, in fact? What's your predictions?
Well, I've obviously watched many of your stuff and I've seen many of your training and that. I've not really seen any of the property bossy stuff.
I know.
I've seen a few clips and it's not looking.
It's not the best.
It's not looking tasty.
I know. I'm feeling confident.
Aye,
Again, I'm quick, bro.
Aye.
And it's only a few weeks in. I've got another 3 months worth of training, so I'm gonna obliterate them, destroy them, and then after that we move on to the next opponent.
Aye. Am I getting on the undercard of your boxing fight?
Oh, have you got an opponent in mind?
I don't know.
If not, call someone out
Aye.
right now. This is your opportunity.
I'll take anybody.
Anybody that wants to be on the undercard. What weight are you?
I don't know.
Roughly.
I don't know. Honestly, I'm not sure.
Well, anybody that wants an undercard, hit me up or comment on this video. Comment below that you want to fight him on the undercard and we'll see if it makes sense.
There we go. 2024 boxing match.
Come on, bro.
That does bring us to the end of this video, so I hope you did enjoy watching this video. Still car related, but it's a bit different. We've got CAZ in, so I hope you enjoyed. Please like this video, comment down below and subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe or your breath stinks like
Thanks for watching, see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bro, bye.